everybody! I'm going to be showing you how I paint hair digitally in Clipstudio Paint. Here we start with the base colors up in the top left hand corner, and the first thing that I will be doing is filling in the hair with the base color brown. Originally I wanted to do the sketch that you see on the screen, but I felt like it took away from the tattoos in the jewelry, so I went ahead and picked a straight hair design. Now I do leave some weird strands on the side, but they will be blurred white in the end, so half of it doesn't even show up, and that's just to fit more with the white background. I then am adding some random strands that make the hair seem more hair-like and random. I then go ahead with the darker brown color, and I normally put dark on the roots and I make brush strokes outwards, and then I also do dark on the bottom of the hair and then make brush strokes upwards, and so they kind of meet in a way. Don't do every individual stroke, but I like to do a base kind of general stroke with the dark color. I do use the starting color again to kind of balance it out, and then I go in with the lighter color on the top part of the head, kind of where the light will be hitting the hair. I also do a light color near the roots sometimes when it's more voluminous hair, or I do light color in the end of the hair somewhere, depending on how long the hair is. I then do some random strands to kind of make the hair again seem more lifelike. I do use a round brush for pretty much all of this. I highly recommend using a round brush. If you're having a part in the hair that really stands out, definitely put skin color there to kind of show that it's, real human hair and not like the character's wearing a wig. I also add a one last highlight on top of the hair to kind of make it pop out more. Here I'm kind of messing around with the room lighting of the hair. I'm not sure what color I want to do or opacity, but in the end I do choose to match the background and I pick a white color. I also mess around one time with the background, making it a black background, but I just felt like I wanted to stick with my original idea of the white background. This is just one way that I do hair, and obviously this isn't the only way to do hair. This is just how I've done it. Yeah, I will go into other tutorials of how I do like the lips, the eyes, the face in general, rendering jewelry and things like that. So if you're interested, please stick around and I hope to see you then. But otherwise, this painting is pretty much done. Here is the end result, and thank you so much.